A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hen, I for ice, J for jug, K for kite, L for line, M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for coin, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for water, X for X-rays, Y for yolk, Z for zebra. Bye bye, like, share and subscribe.